Facility managers know to expect the unexpected and that nothing compares to being prepared. The full lineup of ProGuard wet-dry vacuums helps you to be prepared for the unexpected. 85% of workers' compensation claims are attributed to employees slipping on wet floors. With the ProGuard, quick removal of water minimizes slip and fall risks. 70 to 80% of dust, grime, and dirt get tracked in on people's feet. Quick response time for cleanup can prevent lasting damage to flooring. The Quick Lock wet filter breaks down foam, maximizing tank capacity. The mechanical float shutoff protects the motor from debris and moisture damage. Each ProGuard is ergonomically designed to maneuver with less effort. Built-in variable swivel caster wheel pattern allows for either 360-degree or stair-ready maneuverability. Operation is simple, with convenient tools, easy filter change, and fast liquid debris removal. With 6 models in a range of sizes, each designed to take on different maintenance situations, your only question will be, which ProGuard is best for me? The ProGuard Li3 Cordless offers convenient cord-free cleanup that's ideal for inclement weather, emergency spills, and areas with limited outlets. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and easy to store. The ProGuard 4 Portable has a handheld design with power and performance that's recommended for entryways, detailed cleaning, and senior living. Soft ride caster wheels create quick mobility. The ProGuard 10 is a durable and versatile mid-sized wet dry that's perfect for emergency spills, floods, and hard floor refinishing. The 2-stage motor provides powerful suction and more efficient airflow. A convenient tank drain cap allows for fast liquid debris removal. The ProGuard 16MD is a large capacity wet dry vacuum, ideal for worksite cleanup and large messes. Convenient storage bag keeps commercial-grade tools at hand. A push handle allows for easy maneuvering and removes for compact storage. The ProGuard 15 and 20 wet dry vacuums have maximum power, size, and versatility for the toughest cleanup. Available in 15-gallon and 20-gallon tank capacities, it's best used for fast floor stripper recovery, flood cleanup, and restoration. Its patented center wheel pattern turns with 1/3 the effort. The front mount squeegee removes slurry in fewer passes. Fast liquid debris removal through tip and pour spout or drain hose. The ProBlitz Air Mover is a high-performance air mover that dries carpet and subfloors quickly and quietly. It's recommended for carpet cleaning, disaster restoration, and general air circulation. There are 3 operating positions and 3 fan speeds. A low-amp draw allows multiple units to be used on a single circuit. The XP version has a telescoping handle and wheels for easy transport. For more information and to find out which ProGuard is right for you, visit pro-team.com and pick your ProGuard.